I'm Tyler Crenshaw. I'm one of the instructors in the Engineering and Design program here at the Sanilac Career Center. In Engineering and Design, you get to take your ideas and go out in the shop and make them real. If you're a problem solver that likes to work with your hands, this class could be a great option for you. In the first year, you'll learn the full design cycle by taking a simple sketch or an idea and following it all the way through to a finished product. You will also learn many different manufacturing processes common in industry, such as CAD design, vehicle dynamics, cost evaluation, drafting, CNC machining, plasma cutting, manual machining, welding, robotics, electronics, fluid power, team building, and much, much more. At the end of your first year, you will take all the skills that you've acquired and you will build a single-seat electric vehicle. Once built, you will put your designs to the test in an all-day race event consisting of maneuverability and suspension course, weight sled pull, and a 1-hour-long endurance race. This project is so rewarding because you get to race a vehicle that you built entirely from your own mind and hands. This is such an amazing class with so many different opportunities and pathways into industry once you graduate. I hope to see you all soon.
There's real life problems, and instead of just learning about it in a classroom, you can go out and figure out a way to fix it, and then build it. Just all the hands-on learning and learning about how the mechanical systems work. I like being on the Baja team because really it's just a big family, and we all get along pretty well. And sometimes we'll have a situation where we need to figure out how to fix something real quick, and we can just improvise and figure out together how we're gonna solve that problem. Going to Ohio for the race, honestly, it was kind of scary at first because we got all the big colleges and we're just really small, and you feel you're kind of out of place, but then you realize you're kind of just like them because you know just as much as they do, maybe more sometimes.
Hi, I'm Jason Justice, instructor here in the Engineering Design program. In this program, you're going to take ideas from your mind and bring them into reality. If you love working with your hands as well as your mind, this program is for you. In the second year, you will take what you've learned in the areas of CAD, machining, welding, and robotics and design, and you will take those to the next level. We work in your areas of interest, and we try to help you learn where you want to go once you graduate. So in the program, we have certification paths in welding, CDL, robotics. We also have on-the-job training, partnering with business and industry to help you grow and learn on the job. We also have projects that will work inside the classroom to enhance those skills so you become the best that you can be and hit the ground running. One of the cool things you get to do in the second year is you can join what's called our Baja team. This is where you will be a college student and compete against some of the best engineering universities across the world. We're not just talking Michigan, we're talking across the nation and the world. So we're talking about places like India, Brazil, South Africa, China, and many, many more. You'll be able to basically take the materials behind me in a rule book that thick, and you will build one of these vehicles. You'll get to learn team building, project management, design, and also have a vehicle that will be able to compete in the many rigorous dynamic events that can be found at these race events. We like to be able to put the sports in motorsports. So hopefully, if you find this interesting, we hope that you'll come learn more about our program, and we'll see you next fall.
I'm Zachary Schell. I'm a second year in the Engineering and Design program, and I like this program because I get to explore a lot of new fields and mechanics, and I get to do a lot of creativity with building stuff. Get to use math in school and actually use it in the real world. This program makes learning real for me, and it's really, really cool how I can use this equation to solve a problem. Hands down, I love CAD. It's I can create anything in CAD. It's like a matrix almost. I can create anything in it. And I could maybe 3D print it and see it real, or get it fabricated. And it's just really cool to me to see that happen.
Hi, I'm Larry Nielsen. I'm one of the instructors in Engineering and Design. I take care of the robotics part of that program. In this program, they will come in and work 8 days of programming, learning all about the robot and how to move it around and how to properly put in points so the robot can either pick and place parts. The second 8 weeks, if they like the program, they can come back and work towards a FANUC robotics certification at no charge to them, and this will help them get a job.
My name is Nathan Adamson. I'm part of the engineering design program at the Sanilac Career Center. I am the Baja team captain. Some things I like about this program is, freedom to do whatever you want related to sparks, arcs, and anything metal. The best thing I like about this program would probably have to be the freedom of creativity. Being able to let your imagination go wild, whatever you want to make or do or anything. Write it down or just make it. My favorite area would probably have to be the machining area. The lathe is my favorite tool out of this whole shop. Love making stuff on the lathe. Probably one of my other favorite areas have to be the robotics room, doing all kinds of different things. The robotic arm, just so many things you can do. This program challenges me mentally a lot to have to come up with ways to solve problems, whether it be related to a car or just making a part for a car. It was crazy seeing all these colleges I'd hear from, in my childhood, Cornell, Riot, RIT. It's just racing with them was just amazing. I never thought I'd be able to do anything like that. It's crazy.